Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to take out an Audi concert stereo from a 2003 Audi TT. Okay, so here we go. So I've actually taken this one out, as you can see, saved time, and I'll show you how that is done. Now if you look here, all you have to do is that bit there and that bit there, and you need to insert something flat such as this. It goes in like so. And what you need to do, if I show you around this side, all you're actually doing is you're pushing it in like so, and it catches the bottom of it. And as you can see, when you push it, it kind of folds or bends in, if you like, and that releases the latch. Okay, so when you push, it kind of bends in, and that releases the stereo, and you take it out. Right, now those of you that are aware, fitting an aftermarket stereo for a TT is actually very difficult. Now there's only one secret. I tried forever, but I eventually got it done, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, you need this lead. I got it from Amazon. It comes with that. I'll just show you the lead here properly. Right, not very well focused, I do apologise, but the thing is, this is the other end of the bit, which is going to go into my Sony stereo. So this is actually how it's wired up. Now you see this red cable which is going into the car. This is the important bit. This is what powers the darn stereo. What you have to do, you have to get underneath. Take this panel off, go around, and it goes in. So anyway, you feed it from here, which is side of the dashboard, which is near the door panel. It goes underneath and it comes out. That red wire connects, this is the important bit. This red wire connects to that red wire, which goes into the Sony stereo, as you can see. And that's what powers it. Okay, alright, I would love to show you this in a more organized fashion, but I can't. Also, you have this blue wire here, which goes into, looks like the blue wire of the stereo, which is here and here. So that is actually joined up. And also you've got your red wire, which goes into the red wire of the stereo, as I said before. Now that is the important one. Rest we'll just click in. So here we go. Right, so this is the blue connector, the adapter. The red end goes into one of the adapters of the car, and the other adapter, the smaller part, goes into the actual stereo adapter. And here you have another connection, which is complicated to, let me work this out. So here we have the stereo. So that's the adapter, and this bit stays as it is because it's not needed. So this one you don't need either. And yeah, let's plug it in. Right, now once you've got your wires together, what you want to do is put the casing of the stereo, outer casing, about that much distance. This is purely so you can close the flap. Now a lot of people say you can't do it, but I managed to do it, and it is possible if you use the lead that I've shown you. So you want to put you don't want to put this here, you want to take it back a bit, which you can do actually, to in line almost with that screw there. So once you're done, just real good and see what we done. Lovely job. And then, so what I've done now is I've actually glued with a little bit of super glue the plastic face panel that comes with the stereo, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, look at that. Does that look good or what? Main thing is you can actually close this. Alright, is that good? There we go.